President Emmerson Mnangagwa is reshuffled Zimbabwe's diplomatic corps, reassigning several senior envoys to new postings in a move that underscores the administration's bid to consolidate foreign relations in key capitals. Tsarabena mashoko kuda pakupa ino tonokaunzi mutungamiri wenyika oreshafula top diplomats. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. According to the latest government gazette published Wednesday by Chief Secretary of the President and Cabinet Martin Roshoaya, former Central Intelligence Organization CAO Director General Isaac Moyo has been appointed ambassador to the United Arab Emirates (UAE). His posting marks a dramatic comeback less than a year after his surprise dismissal as spy chief in February 2024. Moyo replaces Ambassador Mazemo, who has been reassigned to South Africa. Mazemo takes over from David Douglas Amadziripi, who has been moved to Washington as Zimbabwe's new envoy to the United States. Patrick Ronald Mutasa will now head to Cuba. Moyo's new deployment draws particular attention given his high-profile exit from the CIO, where his 6-year tenure was made by allegations of politicization of the intelligence service and internal faction rifts. While his removal last year was never officially explained, it coincided with a sweeping shakeup in the security sector that also claimed Police Commissioner General Godwin Matanga, a seasoned diplomat. Before his foray into intelligence, Moyo previously served as Zimbabwe's ambassador to South Africa in Lesotho, where he helped navigate sensitive issues around migration and trade. His return to diplomatic service in Abu Dhabi is viewed as a strategic redeployment, positioning him in a Gulf state that has become increasingly important for Zimbabwe's trade, investment, gold exports. The broader reshuffle signals Mnangagwa's attempt to strengthen diplomatic engagement in critical regions. South Africa is Zimbabwe's largest trading partner. The United States is a key power center on sanctions and foreign policy. Cuba is a long-term ally, and the UAE is a vital economic partner. Mashoko alipopangwa ine redeployments itone mtungamiro wenyika tuze mafunguro enyu matukudipa msoro pechitwa ichi na comment section medo za mafunguro enyu subscribe or like to the bell icon.